AutoDS versus Wholesale2B. Which is better for you? In this video, we'll dive straight into comparing two popular dropshipping platforms, AutoDS and Wholesale2B. If you're trying to decide which one suits your needs, stay tuned because we'll break down their features, who they're best suited for, and the key differences that could make or break your decision. Links to both platforms are in the description if you want to explore further. Starting with AutoDS, this platform is a comprehensive all-in-one dropshipping tool, primarily designed for eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace sellers. It offers automated product imports, price and stock monitoring, automatic order fulfillment, and even advanced features like automatic price optimization and customer service automation. AutoDS is ideal for those who are looking for a highly automated, hands-off approach to managing their dropshipping business. It's perfect for scaling up quickly and managing multiple stores without getting bogged down by the daily operational tasks. On the other hand, Wholesale2B is a bit different. It's more of a supplier directory combined with a dropshipping automation tool designed to work with multiple e-commerce platforms like eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and more. Wholesale2B allows you to choose from over 1 million products across various categories with an easy-to-use interface that facilitates product research, listing, and order processing. It's particularly well-suited for beginners or those who want to explore a wide range of products before committing to a niche. However, it's not as fully automated as AutoDS, so if you're looking for advanced automation features, you might find Wholesale2B a bit limited. When comparing the two, AutoDS is your go-to if you prioritize automation and scalability. It's designed for sellers who are serious about growing their dropshipping business with minimal manual input. Wholesale2B, however, is better for those who are starting out or prefer to have more control over product selection and management, but don't mind handling some of the processes manually. In conclusion, choose AutoDS if you're focused on automation and growing your business quickly, and choose Wholesale2B if you're just starting out and want access to a large product range with the flexibility to manage your business more hands-on. Both platforms offer unique advantages, so consider what aligns best with your business goals. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each platform. Thanks for watching.